In this video, I'm going to show you how to take money out of your Greenlight account step by step. Whether you want to transfer funds to your bank or spend with your Greenlight card, I'll cover it all. First, open the Greenlight app on your smartphone and log into your account. To transfer money to your bank, tap the Transfer or Move Money option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose the linked bank account where you want the money sent. Confirm the transfer. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your bank account. If you want to spend the money directly, you can use your Greenlight debit card anywhere MasterCard is accepted. No need to withdraw cash. Alternatively, you can withdraw cash at an ATM using your Greenlight card. Just make sure your account has enough balance and check for any ATM fees. If you want to transfer money to another Greenlight user, use the app's Send Money feature by entering their phone number or account info. That's it. A quick and easy way to take money out of your Greenlight account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful money tips.